Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm gonna be washing Gumby using some Gyeon wash products. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys. So I've partnered up with Gyeon to bring you guys some wash products. All right, so I'm gonna be washing Gumby with these Gyeon wash products. So I've already I already washed the car once with these products just to kind of get a feel for them. But today I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride and for the wash. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the three products today that I will be using. So first we have, this is as you guys know, my car is vinyl wrapped. So I went ahead and got the PPF and vinyl wash from Gyeon. So this is a PPF and vinyl wash. This is what you would use to actually wash the car. I also have their wheel cleaner, which is right here in this beautiful bottle right there. And then I also have their PPF and vinyl maintain. So this is kind of what you use like in between washes and also on a clean car to maintain the shine and maintain the hydrophobic properties. So this is kind of what you'll use right there. I also have their wash mitt, which is right here. And then I also have a drying rag from Gyeon as well. So they sent me out this welcome kit, kind of welcome me to the family, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride today. All right. So I will say when I first used these products, they were great. The car was shining. The car looked very, very good. You know, I kind of was using just regular, I'm not even gonna lie, kind of just regular Amazon stuff that I was ordering off Amazon and other stuff the other guys were using. I had like a random kit. None of the stuff was designed to work together. And with the Gyeon products, they're all designed to work together and you can use them all together. So I'm gonna be very interested in trying this out. These are like my first, I wanna say, high-end detail products that I'm actually trying on my car. So we're gonna see how it goes today. The first time I washed it, I gave like a quick wash, but today I'm bringing you guys along for the point of view wash. All right, so I have my GoPro attached to my head and we're gonna be washing the car today. So let's go ahead and go to the wash station and let's get Gumby clean. All right, so first we'll go ahead and spray off the wheels first. Clean the wheels first. So just gonna spray directly on the wheel. I'll hit some of the tire as well. Try not to get any too much on the paint. This is paint safe though. One thing about wheel and tire cleaners, all the good ones smell bad. And this one's no different. It smells terrible, but it cleans good. But it smells terrible. Got a little brush here just to agitate some of the real dirty spots. I don't really have a lot of room with these big carbon ceramics, but agitate some of the spots. Oh yeah, there's a lot of dirt on this one. You can really see the wheel cleaner working there. Look at all that. That's nastiness. Alright, last one. Look at all that grime on the inside there. Road grime, dirt. Just nastiness. Alright, now time to get some money so we can pay for the wash. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off the wheels.
Now
it's time to prepare the bucket. So I'm gonna use the PPF wash you guys see right here. So I'm just gonna apply some in my bucket here. Probably be easier just to do it without the pumps. Pour a little bit in there. It's probably about all I need. Now we're gonna apply some water. All right. Now I got my Gyeon wash mitt right here. We're gonna go ahead and get to wash. Start in the back, since that's where I'm closest to. I'll wash a section, then I'll rinse off. Wash another section, then rinse off. It's a little, not having somewhere to wash at my house makes this a little more difficult, but you guys get the picture. So I'm just gonna wash this rear quarter. All right, rear quarter washed. Now we're gonna rinse off. The car is already ceramic coated also, so this makes it a lot easier to do, to wash and keep clean. All right, now I'm pretty much just gonna do this for a bunch of the sections. My time is running out. This is gonna be an expensive wash. So I'm doing a bucket wash at a place that charges you for time. I hope you guys appreciate it. Give this video a like. And if you have any wash pointers, put them in the comments below. Now this actual roof is PPF. It's PPF'd already, so as you can see, it's already beaten up. It's also ceramic and PPF, so it's exactly what this wash is for. Vinyl wrapped PPF vehicles. Vinyl wrapped or PPF vehicles. Like we are rinsed off. Nice. All right, guys. So I'm in the car now. So usually what I do, because like I said, my car is ceramic coated, and the coating on it is really, really aggressive. You can see the beading kind of right there already on the hood. So what I do now is I just go drive the car kind of fast, and all the water comes shooting off of it. So I'm actually gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna park it. Use the PPF Maintain as a drying agent to help dry out some of the last little spots, and then we're good to go. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're back. We are in the garage right now. Car has been washed and cleaned. I drove it back to the garage to go ahead and do the final touches to it. So right now we have the PPF Maintain, which is right here. So this is like a maintenance spray, also to help out with the hydrophobic properties of the PPF, vinyl wrap, and everything you have on the car. So Basically, what you want to do with this, if you want to use it, you don't want to spray this directly onto the wrap PPF or anything like that. You want to spray it onto a microfiber cloth and then apply it to the actual vehicle. So you want to do one panel at a time. Takes a couple of sprays, put it on the rag, then wipe it in, and you'll see it kind of go into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now so you guys can get a good look. So I'm gonna do the hood right now. All right, make sure it's open. I probably did more than a couple sprays, but and then you kind of just want to apply it. Got a little bit of a water spot right there, but I got it up. All right. A couple sprays is good enough for a standard section. So I'm just kind of going back and forth. And like I said, this is like a maintenance spray to do after your wash, in between washes on a clean car. All right. Got that thing shining. All right, we're gonna apply some more. Go to the other side. Two sprays. Oh yeah, definitely cleaned up. There's like a little haze or whatever on it, but cleaned it up real nice. And yeah, man, this is the one thing about having a vinyl. If you want to get your car wrapped and you want it to last a long time, you got to take care of it. That's the main thing. And Pristine Wraps or any wrap shop will tell you the same thing. If you want a wrap to last a long time, you got to take care of it. Give it good washes, plenty washes. Keep it out of direct sunlight for extended period of time, and just take care of it, man. So that's the PPF Gyeon Maintain. So yeah, I mean, you can kind of see it kind of get a little more glistening, add a little extra layer of protection to it. Simple to apply, man.
Everyone, so I appreciate you guys coming along with me to wash Gumby. I really do like the Gyeon products, the PPF Maintain, the PPF Wash, and then also the wheel cleaner. The wheel cleaner works really, really well. It just smells kind of bad, but all good wheel cleaners smell bad. That's how you know it's good, right? So I appreciate Gyeon for sending out these products. Really do appreciate the partnership. If you guys have any questions for me, please put them in the comments down below. If you have any wash pointers for me, please put them in the comments below. I'm not a wash connoisseur. You know, I just try to take care of what I have the best I can. So any tips and tricks, I would be greatly appreciated. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.